It's a disease that has claimed way too many lives, but a new study is showing a promising path forward. The American Cancer Society is reporting that cancer death rates in the U.S. have actually dropped 33% over the last 30 years. They credit advances in treatment, early detection, a decrease in smoking, and vaccines like the HPV vaccine, which has reduced cancer cases and deaths overall. There's a new cancer research study actually being conducted right here in San Antonio. The hope is to help people battling different forms of cancer with just a pill. As Jonathan Cotto explains, researchers at the START Center for Cancer Care aim to have a treatment that is tolerable, manageable, and effective.
Over time, scientists have discovered several mutations and abnormalities in tumors which make them grow.
The challenge has been to find so-called targeted drugs to try and stop these mutations.
Dr. Papadopoulos is the principal investigator for the adagrasib study at START Center.
The study we have been involved with essentially was testing one of these drugs in patients with a mutation called KRAS, which is very common in a variety of tumors.
He says there has been very encouraging data that shows Krazati, the new drug, is also effective in treating colon cancer.
Participating and developing the drug to the stage where it could then move on and be available to a whole host of patients.
The trials have involved several hundred patients with different malignancies across several countries.
The advance has been to show that these drugs are effective in these patients with this variant of KRAS.
KRAS G12C is an oncogenic driver mutation in different types of cancers. Historically, researchers have not been able to find a way to stop the rapid cell growth. But this study drug has at least one patient hopeful.
So we started it and kind of talked through it, worked through it for the first 6 months, and then we were like, hey, it's working really good. So here we are a little over a year and a half, and it's still working.
Howard's journey with cancer began in 2020. He has metastatic colorectal cancer with the KRAS G12C mutation.
I'm happy to be a guinea pig for this so that other people won't have to go through the, tough trials and tribulations that I've done to get to this point.
Jonathan Cotto, KSAT 12 News.
Keep up to date with all of San Antonio's top news, weather, and so much more by clicking the like and subscribe buttons below. And once again, thanks for watching KSAT.